Nang una, hindi kasi ako yung malamiging tao. Nasanay ako sa tropical na na country, but me experiencing the first snow and here sa Korea, the heartfelt Korea, I'm very happy kasi parang nasa ibang dimension ako. Di ba pag nasanay ka sa isang bagay tapos ginawa mo yung mga not usual, parang sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam, parang may bagong na-unlock na mga goals ka sa life. Kaya ayun, ay sobrang masaya at the same time, sobrang lamig, kaya kailangan mag-ready kayo ng maraming pang layer. My message to Avian Summit is you have to be consistent and sana wag po tayong magbabago when it comes to accommodating your guests, your client. Balita ko kasi na-awardan ng Avian Summit as top 1 travel agency. Grabe. Tapos balita ko rin, nakaka-start lang daw ng Avian Summit pero nagka-award na agad siya. Well, actually kasi ngayon na naka-experience ako ng travel with Avian Summit, I can say na deserve pala yung award kasi sobrang caring nila. The staff are very approachable, the drivers, the connections, and ayun ko talaga yung mahalaga when it comes to travel agency, yung maayos yung connection nyo with the client, with the supplier and everything. And I'm very happy na kasama kong mag-travel ang Avian Summit. Thank you, Avian Summit!